In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 2 effects or more in one clip on CapCut. If you've ever wanted your footage to feel richer, more stylized, or just more polished, stacking effects is the way to go. The good news is, CapCut makes this simple, whether you're on desktop or mobile. Interface labels may look slightly different across versions, but the flow is the same, so follow along. First, open CapCut. Once you're in, make sure you're inside a project where you can see the timeline. If you're starting fresh, that's perfect. If you're continuing an edit, just navigate to the clip you want to enhance. Next, add your video to the timeline. Import the clip you want to work on, then place it on the main track. Make sure the clip is selected so any effect you apply targets that specific piece of footage. If your clip is longer than needed, you can trim it before adding effects so the styling matches the exact portion you plan to use. Now click on Effects. In CapCut, you'll find Effects in the editing toolbar. You may see categories like Video Effects or Trending Effect Packs. This is where you browse visual looks such as glows, motion blurs, glitches, film grain, color stylizers, and more. Take a moment to preview a few. Most effects will show a live preview when you hover or tap. Add an effect directly to the clip itself. Choose your first effect, then apply it so it sits on the clip rather than the entire track. You'll usually see an effect bar appear above the clip on the timeline. Adjust its duration by dragging the ends so it covers exactly the part you want. Open the effect's settings and fine-tune options like intensity, opacity, speed, hue, or blend. Subtle adjustments often look more professional than extreme values, so start low and build up. Do that for another effect. Return to the Effects panel, pick a second effect, and apply it to the same clip. You're now stacking effects. The combined look depends on both effect types and their settings, so tweak each one until they complement each other. If your version shows multiple effect bars, you can align their timing so they overlap perfectly or stagger them for different moments in the clip. Keep an eye on the preview. If things feel too busy, reduce strength, shorten duration, or swap one effect for a cleaner option. That's it. Open CapCut, add your video, click Effects, apply one effect to the clip, then add another. With thoughtful tuning, 2 or more effects can transform a simple shot into a standout moment.